Hello all you Hellraisers out there today. I got a special video for y'all. It's an unboxing video. What I have here today is an EMF detector. I got it last Friday, I believe, but hadn't opened it. But I have ordered two other things on the list. Without further ado, let's get to it. EMF detector. First thing on the list. Exiting it off, and now we got the cloth and the lamp. That's what I ordered in next, so that should be coming in sometime next week or so. But let's get into it. Alright, all you Hellraisers, time is here. Alrighty. This looks good. I like this. I like the look of it already. The packaging is pretty neat. So, let's see. Let's dig in. Does it come with its batteries? It comes with batteries. I love it because I don't have those batteries. I do not have the batteries. Alright, cool. Tactile Life warranty card. Oh, that's pretty cool. Warranty card. Let's see. User manual. Cool. EMF detector. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that beauty. That one actually looks, and it also has like a tripod mount. That's cool. I like that. Alright, we got the temperature signature, and then the mains, whatever. It's taking forever to open. Hold on. There we go. What in the hell? Cool. You see that? That's pretty wild. Oh, okay, yeah. Alright. What? Oh. We're unboxing this together, guys. One step closer to hunting some ghosts. Other spirits. Otherworldly spirits. Maybe even demons. Demons, I say. Alright. Put it in there. Alright. Let's see. Oh shit. Okay. Celsius. Hot. Alright, I'm gonna skip to the part where I know what I'm doing, so give us a second. Alright, so I kind of got a gist of it. I'm gonna do a little run through for y'all, just for y'all to know how this thing works. So I'm gonna turn this on. As you can see, you have this. I'm gonna press and hold to change it to Fahrenheit. Right now it's 57. Okay. If you go anywhere else, say, let's test it on the phone. It's weird. Hold on. Max. Oh, that's the max backlight. Okay, yeah. And it's got other stuff. This is the indicator. This is actually a flashlight, and that's pretty cool. I'm going to do a little bit more into it, but we'll test it around. I'm going to make this is just to get the unboxing video over with, but that's just the basics of it. That it's not your traditional one. I wanted to get something a little bit more accurate, and you know, got this, and I feel very promising with this going into other stuff and into the ghost hunting stuff. So stay tuned for more ghost hunter videos. More unboxing videos and just in general. And till next time, I was about to say ghost facers. Till next time, Hellraisers. I'll catch you on the flip side. Stay frosty.